G'day lawn lovers, welcome to LawnPorn. Let's get freaky. Alright, so we're 1 month into the future from our deep penetration with the aerator. Here's where we're at. Okay, so hands up if you doubted me with all that sand I dumped on this thing. Alright, let me level with you. I am a simple Bermuda grass fanatic. I am flying by the seat of my pants here. But I've seen other people on the boob tube try to do a sand leveling like I did on their cooler season grass, and they've damaged their lawn. It's a shame. The reason is that cooler season grass just doesn't have the same muscle as the Bermuda to push back through the sand. Now if we get down close here, we can see exactly what's growing on my prized patch. I have a sod base of hybrid Bermuda. It's overseeded with perennial rye. You can tell the rye by its slimmer leaf, its taller stem, and slightly warmer green color. The Bermuda is identified by its slightly wider leaf and cooler green color. You can see it here. A lot of the best ballparks here in America in the warmer states, such as Petco Park and Dodger Stadium, use this same combination of overseeded Bermuda. And the discerning baseball fan will notice that the color of their outfield changes over the course of the season. On opening day, when it's cooler and the ryegrass is more prevalent, the color of the green will tilt towards a yellow hue, and the stripes in the grass will be more prominent because cooler season grasses stripe better than warm season grasses. Then in the height of summer, the green will tilt towards a more bluish hue as the Bermuda takes hold and crowds out the rye. This will result in more muted stripes. Let's talk about my nasty crabs. Since my first 2 applications of the quinclorac, the crabgrass has mostly been eliminated, but some still remain. You can identify them with this thick broad leaf that spreads from the root like a crab's legs from its body. Remember, use a weeding tool to dig out the big ones. If we get down even closer here, we can see a problem that's cropped up since my last video. You see these deadheads? That's a telltale sign of a blunt blade on your mower. And you might think these are only visible up close, but a sea of these deadheads is going to rob you of a deep green lawn and instead cast a dull brown fade over it. No bueno. Now every mower is different, but I'm going to show you how to sharpen the blades on a California trimmer. To do it, you're going to need these tools. And with them, you're going to do this. Got that? Good. Let's mow. Given this place looked like a beach volleyball court just a month ago, I'm pretty happy with the progress. We've still got a month here until the start of summer in Cali, so I'm right on track for having a thick rug of Bermuda all through the hottest part of the year. And in the next video, I'm going to be telling you about one of my favorite things about lawn porn: squirting. Until next time, lawn lovers.